All right, Algebra 1, I can't be there with you today, so I will see you on Monday when we all come back. Just know that today you do have some homework that you should have already turned in. So if you're watching this video, homework should already be turned in and done, which is worksheet 10.3 solved by square roots. You should have made sure that you checked all your answers on Schoology. Now we need to start getting you ready for that quiz. Now, there's going to be an online part of the practice, which is what this video is going to show you how to get to. There's also going to be a written practice, both of which need to get done before you take the quiz. All right, so the online practice, here's what you need to do. First thing you need to do is open up Google Chrome or Safari or however you get to places, and then you need to go to our class Schoology's page. So once you log in with Schoology, so I'm going to get logged in here real quick. What you need to do is click on courses and go to our Algebra 1 course. Once you're there, you need to click on that link at the very top, which is called Big Ideas Math Login. My recommendation would be to open it in a new tab. And then if you need to, click Login with Active Directory, pick your school account, sign in, and that will take you to the main page for Big Ideas Math. And if it doesn't, if it takes you here first, just click on Big Ideas Learning, and it'll take you there instead. Once you get logged in, here's where you need to go. You need to click on the menu up here on the top right, and then click on Skills Trainer. Once you're in Skills Trainer, you need to do one of two different activities. You either need to solve quadratic equations by taking roots, which is what worksheet 10.3 was, or you would need to do the one that says solve equations by factoring. So let's say you wanted to do some solve equations by roots. You would pick that answer. You would solve this equation. So you'd end up, let's see, 64 divided by 4 is 16. You would take the square root of 16 and get an answer of plus or minus 4, or negative 4 and positive 4. You click check answer, and it would tell you that you got the right answer. If you ever get the wrong answer, so this is the same exact one, but let's say you just said 4 and 4, and you forgot to say negative, it will tell you that you got one answer right, but one answer wrong. Once you've done a few of those, or if you get really, really confused, just click stop. If you did need some help, you can click on show video, and it will have a video that will take you through how to solve by square roots. But you need to do at least 10 of those before you can move on. Once you've done 10 of those, you can either move on to the written quiz practice, or you can keep practicing. So if I click return to skills, maybe I want to do some more practice with solving by factoring. So I get this problem where it looks like I'd factor by a greatest common factor. So I'd bring a 5x out, x minus 1 in the parentheses. So my answers would be, and I'm not showing my work, but that would be what you'd be doing on paper. Those would be 0 and 1. Check your work, same idea. So then this one, let's say you get the wrong answers and you try to say 7 and 0, and you get 0 right, but it should have been negative 7 instead of positive 7. Maybe again you need to press stop, click show video. You can watch a video on how to do problems just like the one we just saw, and then you could go back to continue practicing or return to skills. So you get to pick whether you would want to do the one for solve quadratic equations by factoring or solve quadratic equations by taking square roots. Either one of those is good, but make sure you do at least 10. Once you're done with those 10, go ahead and tell the sub that you've finished those 10 and show the sub with your computer still open that you've done 10, or they will not give you the quiz review. So you need to get 10 of those done before you can do the quiz review. The quiz review will be on a half sheet of paper. Once you've done that, you'll check your answers with the substitute, and then they will give you the quiz to finish before the end of class. So you got quite a bit to get working on. I'm going to let you get to it. Have a good Thursday afternoon, and I will see you on Monday.